Next, if I talk about the book list, it is also another important question that we always keep in our mind while choosing a subject. So when I first saw Lakshmikant, I just thought that how will I even complete that book, because the size of that book is, it's
You're
just
talking about Indian polity.
yes, I'm just giving you an example. So book list, and then how we are going to cover the books, and what are the number of books according to you, because this is one such question which is a deciding factor when we just decide to go for an option.
See, it's like a big scaring factor, because when you have to study too many books, I don't think it's about the number of books which you have to study. It's about how the books have to be used and how you have to use the books selectively. I mean, generally we talk about the books in terms of textbooks and reference books. We should understand the very purpose, like how you need to refer these books. I can give you a book list, but what is more important is to tell you the exact chapter or maybe certain portions which you need to study from those books. See, whatever we are covering in the class, one thing I just wanted to tell you, I don't know if you have this question from your student side, is that in the class itself, right, the way we will study everything, it will be so structured that you are going to make your complete notes in the class itself. And I don't want to see anyone wasting any extra time in making any extra notes. So that will be your final notes. From where you are going to revise, things will be complete in conceptual terms. But then, of course, if you have to, add some more value to it, do some analysis, then you need to refer books. So which we will be guiding you with respect to what all books are there. I mean, if you want, I can tell you the name of the books also, but then of course they are of two different levels, right? One is a basic level, which I generally refer in the beginning, like books like Public Administration by Sharma and Sadana or by Fadia and Fadia, only initial chapters, but these are only for initial readings, because there is no fundamental book, very basic book for public administration is not available. So you have to read some of the introductory chapters from these general books, Public Administration by Fadia and Fadia, Public Administration by Sharma and Sadana. Later on, but when you graduate and you have studied and you have understood everything, then we recommend books like New Horizon for Public Administration by Mohit Bhattacharya. We also recommend the wonderful book by on Comparative Public Administration by Ramesh Arora. Some of these books we recommend for paper 1. For paper 2, maybe there are 2 or 3 books which I generally refer, which you have to keep for reference purpose. I repeat, it is not necessary that you have to study the book wholeheartedly, entirely. Yeah, 1 or 2 books you have to become base, like New Horizon of Public Administration. You need to study that religiously. On for paper 2, any one of these books, either Arora and Goyal or Hoshiar Singh's book, one of the books you can study religiously. Rest of them you can keep for reference purpose, but everything will depend upon guidance. Let me tell you very frankly that in the class, every chapter wise, topic wise, unit wise, the guidance needs to be there as to what exactly has to be studied to deal with the kind of questions which are coming in the exams. Sorry, I have to elaborate this a lot, but I had to.
So it is very helpful for us whenever a mentor elaborates or explains the things in such a great way, sir.